Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 10 peso coins na mayroong taon na 2002 na si Apolinario Mabini at si Andres Bonifacio. Tapusin lang natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Pilipinas. The Philippine 10 peso coin featuring Apolinario Mabini and Andres Bonifacio was first issued in 2000 as part of the BSP coin series. This bimetallic coin has an aluminum bronze center within a copper nickel ring, weight of 8.7 grams and measures 26.5 mm in diameter. The obverse displays conjoined bust of Mabini and Bonifacio facing right, along with the inscription Republika ng Pilipinas. The denomination 10 peso and their names. The reverse features the seal of Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas o BSP with the year 1993 noted marking. In 2014, to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Apolinario Mabini, the BSP issued a special 10 peso coin. This coin showcases a portrait of Mabini on the obverse, while the reverse depicts him seated with a book accompanied by the inscription 150 taon, talino at paninindigan, the BSP logo, and the years 1864 2014. As of February 2025, the 2002 10 peso coin remains legal tender in the Philippines. Its value in the collector's market can vary based on factors such as condition, rarity, and demand. While the coin's face value is 10 pesos, certain coins, especially those in uncirculated or pristine condition, may hold a higher value among collectors. For instance, some sellers have listed these coins at prices above their face value, depending on their condition and year of minting. For the most accurate and current valuation, it's advisable to consult reputable numismatic resources or the local coin collectors. Additionally, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas provides information on the commemorative coins and their statuses. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.